bought this spreader here for spreading asphalt on my driveway. So I bought this tool. Works very good. But I can't store it anywhere, so I had to keep it outside in the elements. And the handle broke off right here. So I wanted to put a new handle on because this whole thing is rotten. So I got my hammer and I just knocked it off. Okay, now I could go buy another setup, but I don't want to go to the store and I don't want to pay for it. Besides, this is good. Now, this is what I've done to replace this handle. I got a piece of PVC pipe I keep because what happens is I only need like a foot of pipe, but I got to buy 8-foot pipe. So I take the 7-foot and throw it in the garbage, or I keep it. Well, I keep it. Now this handle fits perfectly in here. There we go. Okay. And then I'll tighten it up with pliers. Now I have a new handle without having to go to Home Depot and paying the money for another one. Ready for another spreading job. With my new plastic handle, I still got to keep this outside because I don't have anywhere to store it. This handle is not going to rot in the elements.